guys. So I hope you can hear me all right. I'm sitting right next to a river that I've been to quite a few times now, looking for the dipper. And that is the gold species for today as well. But I would also be equally happy for getting some photos of the Grey Wagtail or the sandpiper. 3 species that I've spotted here before. But the problem has been that we have had almost a month without rain. And this river almost dried out, like completely. But now we've had 4 days of rain and there's a lot more water in the river now. So now we're just crossing fingers and toes that we will get something to photograph. It's about 4:30 in the morning, so the sun should rise in about 15 minutes. It's probably a good idea to get under the ghillie blanket now, so I'm gonna lay down. I have my 500 without the teleconverter today, so we're gonna have f4 in the morning. I might slap it on a little bit later when we have more light, depending on where the birds like to be. We'll just have to see. But I have the 1.4 teleconverter with me. So I've been laying here for about 3 hours now and I still haven't seen anything. Well, that isn't completely true because I saw the sandpiper across the river. It was too far away, I couldn't get any photos and it was behind rocks constantly. And then I did hear the Grey Wagtail behind me. It was singing not far behind me, maybe a few meters, but it also didn't come in front. So I couldn't get any photos of that. But at least they are in the area, that is the positive. So I still have about 30 minutes left. So I'm gonna spend every last minute and just cross my fingers that one of them will show up. If I have to be honest, I'm really hoping for the Grey Wagtail because that is a beautiful bird that I don't have any really good photos of. So let's cross our fingers for that. Alright, 30 minutes left. Let's go. I'm so happy now. Finally, my back is absolutely killing me. So this just made it all worth it.